Everybody, John Bolos here, and thanks for watching. Spring is right around the corner, and I have several homeowners asking me, what's my home worth, how's the market looking, and is now a good time to sell? Well, good news is I'm here to inform you that the market is definitely up from last year, prices are up a couple points as well too, and homes are flying off the shelf. As a matter of fact, just last weekend we had 11 families show up to one of our open houses, and the home sold for over the asking price. So if you're thinking about putting your home on the market or just have general questions on what you need to do to sell your home, give us a call or send us a message at the bottom of this email here, and we'd be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.